Hello everyone. Today we are solving a percentage word problem involving algebra and expressions. So let's begin by carefully reading the question. The length of the base of a certain parallelogram is 89% of the height of the parallelogram. Which expression represents the length of the base where h is the height? Okay, so the options are A 89h, B 0.089h, C 8.9h and D 0.89h. Now let's break it down. We are told the base is 89% of the height and h represents the height, and we must find an expression for the base. So the base depends on the height, so we are expressing base in the terms of h. Now what does 89% means? 89% means 89 out of 100. So 89% we can say 89 by 100, that is 0.89. Okay, so 89% is 0.89. Now this is a very important thing. Now the question says the base is 89% of the height. That means base is 89% into height. Now replace 89% with 0.89. So we get base is equal to 0.89h. Okay, this is our expression. Now let's check the answer choices carefully. Come to option A, that is 89h. What does 89h means? That means 89 times of the height. But 89 times is not the same as 89%. So 89% is less than 1. 89 times is extremely large. So option A is incorrect. Okay. Now come to option B, that is 0.089h. Let's think very carefully. 0.089 is equal to 8.9%, because 0.089 into 100 is 8.9%. But we need 89%, not 8.9%. So this is 10 times smaller than it should be. So option B is also not correct. Now come to option C, 8.9h. Now 8.9 equals to 890%. This is far larger than 89%. So this is also incorrect. Okay. Now option D, that is 0.89h. This is exactly matches 89%, because 0.89 into 100, that is 89%. So this is correct. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Now let's go deeper and understand why students commonly make mistakes here. The biggest confusion comes from confusing percent with the whole numbers. Remember, the percent is less than 100% and the decimal must be less than 1. 89% is less than 100%. So the decimal must be less than 1. That automatically eliminates 89h, 8.9h, because both are greater than 1. Now let's test this with a real number. Suppose the height is 100 units. Okay. Now if the height is 100, then the base is 89% of 100, that is 89. Now plug into our expression 0.89h, that is 0.89 into 100, that is 89. Perfect. Now let's test option A, 89h. So this is 89 into 100, that is 8900. This is clearly wrong. So our answer makes logical sense. Okay. So whenever you see something percentage of something, follow these steps. First, convert percentage to decimal. Second, multiply by the variable. And third, simplify. Never forget percent is divided by 100. Now if the percent has two digits, 89%, move the decimal 2 places to the left, 89 to 0.89. Okay, that's it. Simple and fast. So quick recap. We are told base is equal to 89% of height. Convert percent. 89% is equal to 0.89. Multiply base is equal to 0.89h. So the correct answer is option D. So this is the whole solution, whole logic behind this question. Okay, I hope this logic is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll surely get back to you. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.